You come to this world empty, without anything, and I want to die empty, without anything. And this is why I'm sharing all of my knowledge, all of my learnings with everyone around there. And this is a combined way I have written more than 100 books, so that millions of the people around the world can read my books and can really understand each and everything, to getting closer to the success, to getting closer to their dream, to getting closer to their achievement, and to combine of these, getting the succeedo, I mean getting the successful. So I just want to have the one purpose, and that's a dying empty, without anything. I have to share all of my learning, all of my knowledge with everybody around the world through the Arvind Upadhyay books. And this is what I have written in my status, that's I am on the mission to help 1 billion people around the world through the Arvind Upadhyay books. Everybody should read them, learn from them, and understand their own way perspective to getting their own purpose, goals, and what they really want from their life.